Hello everybody, you're watching Everything Weapons. Today we have a new scope to discuss from Hawke Optics, and they just debuted their Vantage HD 30 scope. All credit to the Firearm blog. Now, Hawke Optics has a new series of scopes in the Vantage family. The Vantage HD 30 scopes have a 30mm main tube and illuminated reticles, and these scopes also feature multi-coated lenses with 11 coating layers, and the Vantage HD 30 series comes in 3 magnification ranges from 1 to 8 times 24, 2.5 to 10 times 50, and 3 to 12 times 56. Reticle options include the L4A dot, circle dot, and tactical BDC 556. Now, MSRP ranges from about $389 to about $469, with all models featuring 30mm tubes, and the turrets are capped, locking, and feature resettable zero stops. And this is a quote from the manufacturer. So Hawke Options, a global leader in precision sporting optics, proudly announces the release of the latest series of value-packed rifle scopes that will have you hammering targets without hammering your wallet. The new Vantage HD 30 scopes feature system H2 optics and a wide range of models to fit every shooting need. The popular and value-packed Vantage HD 30 has been reimagined for this year in 2026, and these scopes have better clarity, a new look, and refined features that smash the ceiling of value in optics. And the Vantage HD 30 rifle scopes feature system H2 optics that are fully multi-coated with 11 layers to deliver crystal clear vision across the magnification range. Each scope is built on a one-piece 30mm chassis for outstanding light transmission. You get a removable throw lever to help with magnification adjustment on the fly, and these scopes have Hawke's zero stop locking elevation turrets and exposed locking windage turrets. Now, these turrets are designed for accuracy, precision, and accessibility, so making quick adjustments in the field, even with gloves on, is easier than ever. These have red and green illuminated reticles with 5 brightness levels, and you also get 3.5 inches of eye relief. And that's pretty much it. Just a quick little Hawke Optics Vantage new scope debut. Thank you guys for watching. Check out my other videos on the channel, and I will see you guys later.